Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a penny stock which Satpal Khattar has bought during the last 1 year, even though his name does not appear on the shareholding pattern on the exchanges. His stake in the company stands at 30 lakh shares, aggregating 0.689%. Now friends, this is not our own research. This too was researched by Meet, and we'll be providing a link to his Twitter handle in the description section below. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Pashvanar Developers Limited, which is available at rupees 7.85 and the face value for it is 5. The symbol for it is PARSVNATH. Now Pashvanar Developers Limited is a real estate and infrastructure development company. The company is engaged in the development, construction and marketing of real estate projects for commercial and residential use. Now, as is evident from the 1 year chart, the company has been an absolute dog of a stock and a lot of wealth erosion has taken place here. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 341.62 crores and it's not yet profitable, and hence the EPS and price to earnings ratio are not applicable here. The book value of 56.1 however translates into a very cheap price to book ratio of 0.14. The debt to equity is 1.3350, which indicates that the debt for this company remains a concern. However, in a recent interview, the management confidently stated that they are planning to go ahead and become debt free over the next 2 to 3 years. As the company is not yet profitable, the return on equity is also a negative figure and stands at minus 0.0140. Company did not pay out any dividends on account of it not yet being profitable, and the promoter holding is above average and stands at a figure of 65.46%. Now friends, this information came out in the annual report and some time has already elapsed since this information became public. So please go ahead and conduct your own due diligence. The price may have already been discounted. This and all of the information that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.